Hi, welcome to the Sacred Fire Arts Workshop Studio. We are here today to discuss the Orangewood guitar. Now, Orangewood is a company that I talk about a lot. It's a brand that I will often recommend to people who are looking for a good quality guitar that won't break the bank. And that is definitely what Orangewood creates. They are manufacturers of extremely high quality guitars that are available at a very low price point, especially considering how well they're constructed and the materials that they're constructed with. Without further ado, I'd like to introduce to you one of my latest canvases. This is the Orangewood Morgan Acoustic Electric. Now, this particular model has a solid spruce top, a cutaway for easy access and comfortable access to the higher frets, and it has laminated mahogany sides and back. It is an acoustic electric, so you can plug right in and play. The audio controls, volume and tone, are conveniently located inside of the sound hole, and if you look at the rosette, I believe that's a walnut rosette. It also features a bone bridge and nut for optimum acoustic response. Comes with Ernie ball strings, and really it's an amazing guitar for the price. And I feel like if you're looking for a canvas for your Woodburned guitar project, you can't go wrong with an Orangewood. This particular model, the Morgan, cost, I believe, $275. And for a guitar with a solid spruce top, that is a great price, especially considering it's also an acoustic electric. Let's give it a listen. Thanks for tuning in. I can't wait for you to see the progress on this project as it begins to evolve. It's going to be really cool. So stay tuned for more of that as time goes by. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.